Because when they did want me get locked up. Me have video it, you know? Because when they did want me get locked up. Yeah, and Johnny. Jesus, people then just come bail me.
Me no remember. It's 1,000 line.
My God.
Amorous, Johnny. So for some reason him take up him $5,000.
Yeah, can they do want to go buy my mother's day gift. My God, see that people? Bail like a bail me. Pay on the parking ticket. Do not make the feds not parking ticket. What you call that? Your traffic ticket. Don't make the fuzz hold you. Can the fuzz hold me now? I may tell us even though I know to why fuzz them, me and them go to school together. Yeah, we do it. Me and go to school together. They never care. They never care. The fuzz said if your husband not coming up. Remember, you say you sleep tonight. Yes. The fuzz they not care. I mean them got grand together. I know them from me. Yeah, them need. This is so unfair. My God. Jesus. You say? Yes. Me had get nervous. Me never like you, man. I want lady. Me get nervous. Well on. Me say when the judge say, Vanessa Williams Morgan, you are charged with and she start like how to charge them. Yeah?
It's a guilty, Your Honor.
Me say, me not even sure me say me, so I must say. She say you're guilty or you're not guilty. Me get nervous, dog. Mama say me say, I'm gonna say guilty with explanation, but when me reach in there, it never come out of my mouth.
In a sense, it's a guilty with explanation. It got make it the
longer.
Process longer.
So anyway, the lady say, alright then, when I tell me say you're there, yeah, come. Which part you did there? And I say, oh Your Honor, I was up there, up on Mother's, but to tell you the truth, the traffic from up on Mother's to come down. There's traffic for up on I'm leaving now, you know. Is there traffic from up on Mother's to? I say, yes, Your Honor. I serious, Judge. I never that tell a lie of traffic for come down there, so I'm late. And she said, alright. She said, alright. Yeah. But when I tell her, I know the fuzz them. I know the fuzz and the fuzz nah give me no blind. Me and them got grand together. As we go in, it's when we go in there, so. Me and me Ogopi guy. Me Ogopi guy, because I know him long time. I'm not calling him. Me Ogopi guy, because me and him did in a grade 7 together. Kind of maintain a nice relationship throughout. And he said, come Vanessa, stand up here, and the woman said, what did you call her? And he said, Mrs. Morgan. Yeah, because you know, no association. My God. What an excitement, what a rush. Me don't love it.
Me don't love it.
Me don't love it. Me don't love it.
2 weeks ago?
Or 3.
Me
don't love it. Me don't like that feeling there.
Feeling that nice.
I don't feel me thing at all. See, Johnny said me a felon there. Me won't pick at all, me felon. He said 2 hours felon.
I don't like when him gone in a court.
Gone in a court book. Me? Them can't keep me locking again. Them cannot catch me locking again.
Even get on ticket, me pay.
Me pay right time. Because me nah come back over here. Me don't like you feeling over here, brother.
Me want you there when them are calling
people?
Yeah.
Boy, I'm glad me in there with people car.
And in my case, me saw last my name the panelist 3 times. Ralston Morgan! Ralston! Jesus.
I have no ticket, but I just see one ticket. Me
name the panelist 3 times.
If you want,
if you want set us name.
You look here, and when the woman say, so you're a regular offender? I say, no. Police not even ever stop me before. It's just so unfortunate. One time police stop me get a ticket.
I end up
a court. For sure you owe me salt, lady. And she said, what you say? I said, for sure you owe me salt, Judge. I said, Judge, me salt. Buy me salt like a brine, me I tell you. Because police never stop me. I always wear my seatbelt. Me stay. Me make sure I never go over a speed limit. Me a careful driver. But 2 taxis stop in front of me, and it just so happens as me go around them. Me go around and I police them. And she laugh and she shake her head and she say, $4,000.
Me tell you, say I go pay less.
And then lead me around a little corner there. So, me don't love you people. Me, you're an abiding citizen. Me don't love
tell
this.
Say I go pay less.
Jaja, what an excitement do I? Mama call back Sash. Sash that call me, you know, as a felon. Mama call back Sash. Jesus. Mama call back Sash. Come and say backside. You call her back there. Sash, me not listen to it, Sash, and I say me a fella and I was in the courthouse and I would have to call you because I needed bail money. Sash, I swear to God, Sash, but in their court, yeah, locked up, they won't let me out. So I was calling, it was like, Jesus Christ, I need bail money. So,
Run.
really, how far away I walk go? This man, you know, so me I tell Johnny about mango bush and go mango go a bush go eat mango. And Raje think a joke me I make. Me tell him say he's not really Jamaican unless he climb a tree and pick mango and just eat the same way. A Julie tree, sir, really? What? Jesus, wow, this is great. So this a tree I used to feed pan. So brother, no trespassing this year?
I trespassing basically upon people them house, people them yard.
Tree get big or little? Cause you're big now, you know. Your circumference. Good. Go Reggie, you can't say, you know, go over people yard, go take mango here, you can't cross that off of your list. You're not a couple of really no ripe mango on the penny. Neither ripe nor fit. What kind of mango that down there so?
This?
No, that one that down there so. We have a ripe mango them. No, me not eat that. Me not eat that. A straight Julia East Indian to my belly. I'm not to lie. Come. Go listen, boy. Hold on, man. You're accomplice already, you're there. Accomplice to the robbery. Really, no bother dropping up because your bone then can't set back, you know. Oh. Try it up. Man, you drop. Cause you can't go in that tree. Your bone then can't broke. Your bone then worse than really right now. Well, that limb they look shaky, brother. They no fit, man. They no look fit. You say this is thumbnail?
Yeah, take one picture.
Achoo. Up in the mango tree. Sweet, sweet mango. Julie, I saw that poem that he go around. Sweet, sweet mango. Sweet, sweet. I don't remember where they go, but there was a poem back in the days we learned at school. You did young and 200 pound lighter. Watch ya? Look at him now, man, yard. Accomplice.
No. Accomplice no come, no one on the daddy.
Not do it, man.
When you think cherish your time.
Hmm?
When you think the time.
The time.
For 10 years you get 3, me get 3, Vanessa get 4.
So how we forget him was?
That would be, well, 44.
Oh my
God.
God.
That be how much? 40, 38.
Oh God. Alright, come now. Them are not no fit really. Not one of them no fit. Man, have security camera, Danny. Run. Run, you have security camera. Danny really be some people that have security camera. That wicked boy. Really, come now, man. Them are... No, that mango they no fit. Well, that mango they green. Not one of them you can say I put on until they're ripe. Not one. Which done?
No, protect me.
Dog.
Celeste, come here. What's up in there?
Jesus Christ.
That one is
Father, make sure so what's name there. The dog not do nothing.
Daddy, if you be as freaked out as me, you know? Hmm? If you are as freaked out as me.
What? Yeah. Where they
Take time. Careful, Selassie. Careful, yeah?
No, kill them. No, kill them.
Okay, one really would have carry you out in a tree for good job. Take time, yeah?
No, kill them.
You get one.
No, some sister right.
Done a ripe, bro.
Hmm?
Done a ripe.
What right?
Right, man.
You ripe?
Right.
Okay.
Like somebody are calling and feel legs are shake.
Pull up a mango down your door. I want to say Julie. I want to say Julie tree down here.
Time of year. Summertime.
If you man not pick up for next turn and I sell you.
Eh.
Yeah, but I'm calling the boy right now. Right, man, go now.
Summertime fun. When I look down at them a place, people.
I can read mango.
I can't eat mango. People.
Well, at least we get some mango before we left Giant, though.
The mango green stills.
Come here, come. No more in there. Come.
Boy.
Come. No more in there.
Oh, I goat, goat farm, you go? You have goat? Oh, here is goat. How much goat you have?
15.
50? Oh, that's great.
Different from the rambling.
Oh, that's awesome.
See, come and eat.
Hmm? Come, ready?
See, bite me up.
Come in, man. Wanna grow soft? Good evening.
Hi. Daddy, where you at?
Come.
Apple tree?
Dog.
That's them I can find them put the prep all on them. You have to do none of it.
How far we are going now?
I'll go for them. See your picture. No,
The one I will see right here, so.
no get no guinea pig for them.
But the one there you get guinea pig for. And we say that one is rotten,
Yeah,
but the one down there, so.
eat a guinea pig.
I know you're right, guinea tree. So now boy, them they used to. Anger. Yeah.
When Rennie and Chris and Devin, you may drive past and say, Devin. The man they climb guinea pig.
Really? You're introduced to your place, though, you know? First we ever come so far. Mosquito get kill we.
Man, they are so dark.
It must dark, cannot be nothing, no light, no nothing.
They are so big dark inside the man. Yeah.
So which one of these did chase you?
We don't say no. Same place on the road.
On the road I go further down.
Go way around, grown, and then we reach our next car. We are nearer to the road than to your
Yes, oh. So that's in the down there, coconut jelly.
everything.
So next day we have to go come with no car Johnny. Because Johnny is scared the cat now.
Don't you say you call pot house bottom.
Pot house bottom.
Yeah, pot house bottom.
Okay. Alright, sir. Okay, so
Mango bush. Walk here, so go a river.
oh, a river around there, sir?
See where there?
So walk your Sanga River and go mango bush. They hope a right mango up on this thing, you know. But me and come on.
I will put right mango on
Well,
number 11, you know.
Holy ripe. Anyways, this was awesome. Knowing about pot house bottom and top. Guess what? Raje is graduating today. Yay! It's a mock graduation, guys. It's a mock graduation.
Nah, I graduate with my classmates, but
Yeah, it's still great.
yeah.
So Raje is taking his graduation pictures. I did not want that. I did not want him to leave school and not have graduation pictures. And because we're leaving shortly and he will not be able to graduate with his class, I decided and I contacted his principal. Big up Mr. Harris and of course Miss Rapley, and and our friend, my friend, Miss Mullins, who put this together. We are so grateful. So Raje was able to take his graduation pictures. I am so happy that you were able to do that, so you can have that memory, alright? And the man do some nice pose too, though. You did like it?
Only some weird pose.
Anyways, guys, I am so happy for Raje that he's gonna be able to do this. This is a great thing. This is a great thing, so you can have this memory, even though you won't be able to do it with your friends. It is still very important.
Mm-hmm. I tell them I was so smart. I graduated before my class.
Oh my God.
I tell them I'm that smart.
So you graduate ahead of your class?
Yeah.
Yeah, a month ahead.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So I'm so glad that you were able to do this, and you know that you can actually have these memories to look back on. Not that we will not remember everything that happened, because we will always remember this time. And
very traumatic.
It is traumatic, and it's a very hard time, but it is okay. It is okay, because you're gonna make it out on the other side, right? Super proud of you. You look so nice now you're gone. I can just imagine if you did get free watch down the aisle. No, oh God.
I'm gonna do a speech around power.
I know.
Senior prefect.
And you miss out on your speech, but you can't tell me this speech. You can't give me the speech. I'll clap and applaud. And I did promise myself, say, oh, when you get here to me, I go, woo, Raje. I'll still woo on a day. I'm your biggest fan. You know this. You could have been embarrassed like more. It's okay, Raje. It's fine. This is just a small step in the many more graduations to come. We have high school. We have college. 2 more. We have 2 more. You know, get masters and PhD and so.
When you take some masters, it's just a diploma, not a diploma, just a certificate.
No, you can actually graduate to the masters in business. Yes, or masters in economics, since of them stuff that you like. Yeah? Come on, man. There's a lot more achievements, whole heap more graduation to come. Tell me yourself about this. Give me kisses. Kisses. Love you. Alright, let's go.